Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, my name is Kharatul Umama. I'm the 6th semester of English Teaching Learning Program. Well, in this video, I will make a 3 tutorial input data to SPSS, and this is to fulfill a statistic research duty. Well, there are 3 data. The first is about correlation, and the second is about independent sample t-test, and the third is dependent sample t-test. Well, I hope you can understand the tutorial in this video, and check it out. Okay, let's go to the first tutorial. It's about input data correlation. And before we go to SPSS, we have made a data in Excel, and you can see in this video I have made a data about speaking and also writing. The first variable is speaking and the second variable is writing, and later we will look for the correlation between 2 variables. Okay, you can copy the data and then go to SPSS. Okay, I'm sorry, sedikit lama. Okay, and then paste in the first column here. Now you can see the result. Okay, and after that you can go to variable view, and there are 2 columns there, and the first column in name you can change to X as the first variable, dan yang kedua Y karena variable kedua. And after that you can go to label, and the first label is speaking and the second is writing. Well, okay, continue. And to test the correlation between 2 variables, we can go to data view again, and then we go to analyze and choose correlate and bivariate. Okay, first we can see in the first column, and then move 2 variables in the second column, and then don't forget to check list person, and then click OK. Well, you can see in this result, if the result is less than 0,105, so the 2 variable has relation each other. Okay, correlation is not relation. I'm sorry. And let's go to the next tutorial. Okay, I hope you understand in the first tutorial. Well, the second tutorial is about independent sample t-test. As usual, we have to make a data in Excel, and you can see in this video I have made a data from result of speaking skill between A class and also B class. A class here I have coded A class is as A and B class as B. And after that, we can go to SPSS. I'm sorry, agak lemot videonya. Okay, and in SPSS we can go to variable view. Variable view, and in the first name is you can type result, and the second class is and the second column is class, I mean. Okay, then the label result of speaking skill, and the second column is class. We can go to values and none in the second column, and muncul seperti ini. Dan di value kita isi seperti yang tadi. Nah, ini hasil dari penggabungan kelas yang tadi. Dan ketika diklik OK akan muncul di values nanti. Okay, and after that we can go to data view. We can see there is a result and also class. Okay, after that we can go to Excel again. The Excel. In Excel, in a class, we can copy firstly all of the data and then copy to SPSS. And put it in result, paste in result. And after that we can go to Excel again and then copy the data of B class and paste in a result after the data of A class. Okay, and then paste after A class data. Now this is the result of A class and also B class. And then go to Excel again and put it in the class. Like that. And after that, go to Excel again and copy B class data. And then go to SPSS again and then paste after the A data. And after that, to know the result, we can go to analyze and then compare means and go to independent sample t-test. Yeah, we can see result of speaking. Result of speaking in the first column, test variables, and class in grouping variables. And this is, there are defined group. Just now we can click define group and then put group 1 is 1, group 2 is 2. And this is the result of independent sample t-test. There are two columns here, and the first is group statistic is about the data just now. There is the mean between two variables A class and also B class. And in the second column is independent sample t-test. It means the result of independent sample t-test. If 0,00 is, there is a difference significant between the result of these variables. We can see in this result 0,00. Okay, maybe just it in the second tutorial is about independent sample t-test. We can watch little by little in order that can understand the tutorial. I mean, I'm sorry. Okay, and after that, I have one tutorial again. Well, let's go to the last tutorial. It's about dependent sample t-test. Okay, as usual, we can go to Excel and then make the data. And here, after that, we can go to SPSS and then click variable view. And as usual, in the first column, if just now we can change it to variable. And in this tutorial, I mean in this dependent sample t-test, and the first is pre and pre-test, pre I mean, and the second column is post. Well, and then go to label, and I'm sorry here, tulisannya itu biasanya pre pass I mean space and then test, pre-test and post-test. Like that. Okay. Next. And then go to that data view. And the data just now, pre-test. The data, copy the data, and then put it to SPSS. Put in the pre-test, because just now the data of pre-test. and then go to Excel again. I'm sorry. And yeah, post test, and then copy and put again in SPSS in post column. You can watch the video. Okay, and then go to analyze, and then go to analyze, and then compare means and paired sample t-test. This is the same as dependent sample t-test. Okay. Pretest is variable, the first variable, and posttest move to the second variable. Mohon maaf, ini di screenshot karena tidak bisa masuk ke itu Windows G. Jadi untuk mempermudah kalian, di screenshot agar tahu cara memindahkan. And then after that, click OK, and we can see the result here. This is the result of dependent sample t-test. There are two columns here. The first column is about paired sample statistic and paired sample correlations, and the second is paired sample test. Okay, here to distinguish the difference between two means of two paired sample with the assumption the data are normally disturbed in paired sample statistic. Okay, maybe just it the tutorial about dependent sample t-test. Okay, thank you very much. Gimana nih, udah paham belum tentang memasukkan data ke SPSS? Oke, I think jika kamu menonton video ini dan menyimak dengan baik-baik, saya yakin kalian akan cepat paham tentang memasukkan data to SPSS. It's so easy if you know the way. Okay, maybe just it my video tutorial, and I'm so sorry because there are a problem in making this tutorial video. For the first time I make in Zoom and there is no the result. I mean lost, and I don't know why. And the last I tried to make with a Windows G, and this is the result, and I'm sorry if there is a particle problem there. Well, maybe just it from me, and I hope you can understand and spirit to study about statistic research. Well, thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.